Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Jazz or Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand English, ma'am.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I I have a sister-in-law there.
Okay, so do you know which place she was designated?
I don't
You don't know. Okay.
know, ma'am.
So our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes,
Okay, why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe you go in Middle East?
because I know Malaysia was the safe place. If W,
Okay, so
that's
um okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mercy Mariblanca. I am 33 years old. It's 10 years old and 8 years old boy, all boy. That's all. That's all,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, single mother, or married?
I am married, ma'am.
Okay. When is your birthday?
March 2, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
5 kilograms.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
5'2", ma'am, and 59 kilograms.
Okay. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am college level.
College level. Okay. Is your family allow you to
Yes,
come and
ma'am.
work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your two children once you come to work here?
My sister-in-law po, ma'am.
Okay, what about your husband? What is his occupation and how old is he?
He's driving now.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
What is your husband occupation and how old
uh,
is he?
driver, ma'am. He is 34 years old.
Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience way back in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia 2019 to 2021 for 2 years. And did you finish your contract?
No, ma'am. I didn't finish my contract there.
How many years did you work there?
Only 1 year and 8 months.
Okay, what happened?
Because of my employer do sexual attempted rape for me.
Oh, okay. Can you describe what are your responsibilities there to your previous employer?
Pardon, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Saudi?
I am all around maid, cleaning or take care of the kids. It's 11 years old, 9 years old, and 8 months.
Okay.
Then after that, if the baby can sleep, I can clean the house. And then when the babies wake up, I can take care of the baby.
Okay. So did you cook, do laundry and ironing also?
I can laundry, I can cook, but for the kids only.
Okay. So, you know that being domestic helper is very tough, right? You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. So, are you ready for any
Yes,
task
ma'am.
that the employer will be given to you?
Yes,
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Medium.
Can you take care, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am. I can cook.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take care pets? Are you okay to take care
Pardon, ma'am.
pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're not afraid of any dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
So you have a 2 years contract and you need to finish that. Otherwise, you have a consequences which is once you breach your contract, you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if there is like uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can hold it during nighttime only, 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to rest inside the employer's house, but if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will compensate your salary. Do you agree about all these terms and conditions?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shura, I just want to let you know in our initial interview about our rules and regulations. Either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come here. But if you don't agree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here because later it's a problem once you reach here in Malaysia. Okay? Okay, so normally, you know that you've been stuck. I know, 2021, 22, 23. Okay, you stuck in the Philippines for 3 years, and I know that homesickness frequently will attack you once you come to work here in Malaysia. So how will you gonna fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
I can handle, ma'am.
In what
Call
way?
my yes, call my family, video call.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you a situation. What will you do if your employer is angry but you didn't do anything wrong? I mean, all those all those tasks that your employer told you you already did, but still they are not happy and they get angry with you. What will you do?
Okay, I will just listen and say sorry for my employer. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, so Mercy, working abroad is we need to bring our good attitude, okay? Because this is not our
Yes,
country, this is not our motherland. So we need to adjust ourselves. We don't allow our employer to adjust themselves for us because we are the foreigner in their country, okay? Always respect and follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you are the one who are working and staying inside their premises, okay? Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in our Global ACE agency will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much and have a
ma'am.
good day. Bye.